Gusto mo ng sukle? Mag-register lang sa GCash at ipalit ang pera sa GCash at mag-GCash to load na. May load na, may sukli pa!
Sa bawat pusong gahaman may pusong magdurusa at may pusong api na sumisigaw ng katarungan at kahit kamatayan di mapipigilan. Ito ang kwento ng paghihiganti ng pusong pinagkaitan. Ito ang kwento ng La Vendetta. Sa October 29 na sa GMA Telemaban. This Sunday on your #1 concert TV. Experience October power from the Kapuso Network's finest. The power of creative minds. The power of endurance and strength. The power of love. The power of music. The power of ultimate concert live performance. The power of SOP. This Sunday on GMA.
Yung linggo.
Inabot ng 53 years bago na uwi sa kasalan.
At magugulat kayo pag nakilala nyo ang youngest doctor ng Pilipinas.
Jack of all trades, bukod sa pagiging doktor, abogado, teacher, criminologist, singer, basketball player pa. Pero di mga sasakyang umaandar, sa init ng araw at electricity, aarangkada na.
Tunghayan din ang the making ng isang kinabukasan music video ng Kapuso Foundation men.
Lahat ng yan ngayong linggo sa
Ben
and Joey.
Makakalimutin ka na ba? Nangangamote ka ba sa school? Para maiwasan, take Memo Plus Gold. Tumutulong pagbutihin ang nerve impulse transmission sa brain area. Para laging sharp. Take Memo Plus Gold. Lamang ang may good memory.
Face it, hide it, solve it, cover it.
I deal with dandruff like a man.
I keep it a secret, as any woman should.
But either way, we know the answer is clear.
I use Clear.
Clear meant for me.
It has zinc Vitanol, clinically proven effective to remove dandruff and prevent it from coming back.
It's all settled then.
For us, there's only one choice.
New Clear. No dandruff.
Sino ang macho? Ito? Ito? Ito ba? O ito? Mr. Macho Labandero! Macho sa labahan! Ang sikreto niya, Dew-Approved Pride All-Purpose Detergent. My Pride and Joey. Ang bula-bula, ang galing-galing magtanggal ng dumit ng siya. Wow! Dew-Approved Pride All-Purpose Detergent. Uy! Macho sa paputian.
Ang #1.
Wow.
Mas pinaswabe.
Wow.
Walang sabit.
Wow.
Ang #1.
Wow.
May kaduat na.
Wow, Dan.
Oo, Wow Wireless
Wow.
Duet.
Concerto Edition.
The #1 Magic Sing.
Oh no, a monster! Where's the monster? Do something! Alam ko na!
Only Ovaltine has Activate Plus Zinc to power both mind and body.
Flashlights! King! Ovaltine power! Ovaltine! Jollibee, happy, forever happy. Iba na ang laking happy. Iba na ang laking Jollibee. Kami laking happy, kami laking Jollibee. Kami forever na happy. Jollibee, happy, forever happy. Jollibee, lumaki sa saya. Sa Jollibee, bida ang saya.
Ang maputi, dapat buong katawan. Kung nagpapaputi ang papaya, ano pa kaya kapag may kalamansing kasama? Mag-extract para maputi mula siko hanggang tuhod, underarm at mukha. Para sa puting pantay, Extract Whitening System mula sa Splash.
Ingat ha!
Kayo din. Maingat talaga ako, lalo sa gamot. Sensitive ako dyan eh. Kaya basta headache, Biogesic lang. Para safe, paracetamol, Biogesic. O ingat ha.
Star ka sa rides, star ka sa games. Lahat dito, ikaw ang star. Ikaw ang star, ikaw ang star. Sa
Thank you. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you.
Yun, kahit commercial, bubulaga kami para mag-thank you sa mga Dabarkads natin na nakatutok at sumali sa mga texting promo natin. Itong mula January hanggang ngayon, 2011.
Yes, buong 2007. Lahat po kasali pa rin dito yung mga text nyo dati. Hindi po yan masasayang. Yan kaya importanteng magte-text dahil kahit hindi na kayo nanalo noon, baka swerte nyo na ngayong thank you day.
Naman, kami mismo ang tatawag sa inyo at kapag nakausap namin kayo, instant 5,000 ang prize. Nako, bilang pa-thank you namin sa inyo.
Kaya eto na ang una nating Dabarkads na tatawagan. Kausapin natin siya mula Caloocan City. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Teka, naputol yata yung linya natin.
Basta may prize, si Josefina
Triunfo
ng Caloocan City. Congratulations sa'yo. Lagi ka bang... Hello, lagi ka bang...
Si Josefina, Josefina, naputol yung line natin.
Oo nga.
Sayang. Pero magpapasalamat kami sa Josefina. Thank you dahil lagi kang sumasali sa pagte-text dito. Kaya ngayon, eto, 5,000 pesos para sa'yo. At parang kay Josefina, meron pang isang mas swerteng nanalo ng 5,000
Yun, no?
pesos.
Nako. Si Leticia Casugo ng Pangasinan. Congratulations sa'yo.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagte-text. Abangan nyo, marami pa tayong ipamimigay.
Nako.
Maya-maya abangan nyo ang pagbulaga namin kahit commercial sa pagbabalik namin yan. On the spot, jackpot na! Yung mga audience natin kasama.
Yan!
Makinig kayong mabuti. Abangan nyo kung paano rin kayo mananalo dito, ha? Kaya itaas na mga numero.
Okay!
Susunod na yan!
We'll be right back!
Thank you! Thank you!
Ang babait ninyo!
Long hop sarap, long hop sarap, long hop sarap.
All right, stop! Give a twist to the Pops It Up! New Jollibee! Grilled cheesy chili con carne burger! And spicy crispy chicken burger! So delicious, every bite just the right spice! New Jollibee! Spice burger! Ang sarap!
Hanap mo ba'y special treat? Tikman ang sarap ng special cheesecake. Cheesy na cheesy. May syrup sarap na, oven fresh pa. Special treat mula sa cupcake. Cupcake and cheesecake. Give yourself a treat. Also available, mini cake.
The girlfriend waits, the boyfriend's late. Bouncer standing at the gate.
This is ordinary life.
The girlfriend waits, the boyfriend's late. Bouncer standing at the gate. Star is born again.
This is Mentos Life. Mentos, the fresh maker.
Ang lola niyo tulog na.
Stress can make you look and feel old. Take Stress Tabs, the multivitamin for everyday stress. Stress Tabs.
We can't help it. As we eat, our bodies collect toxins. Kaya nga we drink lots of water to cleanse the system. But that is not enough. Do you know what can help remove more toxins? Drink 100% pure and natural Del Monte pineapple juice every day. It's fiber-enriched. Kaya it's like giving your inner body a shower. May fiber to detoxify you, washing away toxins, making you feel really clean and refreshed from within. Detoxify daily. Drink Del Monte fiber-enriched pineapple juice.
Bakit mas happy ang taong may energy?
Naka-Enerva multivitamins ako araw-araw, kaya mas happy ang performance.
Bakit mas happy ang taong may energy?
Naka-Enerva multivitamins ako araw-araw, kaya mas happy ang joke time!
Owning an Avanza has advantages. It's roomy and comfortable. It fits 7 people. It's powerful and fuel efficient. It's a smart buy. Get the Avanza Advantage.
Alam mo ba, love kong magluto. At madiskarte ako dyan, ha? Lalo na sa favorite kong sinigang. Dati may sinigang was, pwede na. Then my mom said, try Maggie sinigang. Better sa gamit mo. So, try agad ako. Mas sumarap with Maggie. Mas natural yung pagka-fruity ng asim. Super sarap talaga. As usual, my mom was right. Try nyo rin. For me, may tunay na sarap sampalok ang Maggie sinigang. Ang Maggie ay gawa ng Nestle.
Thank you.
Is Franco asking you out?
Hello, ang type ni Franco, girls na alam mo na.
Want to know my secret?
Yaji?
Yaji dip snacks from San Miguel. Bawat pack, may dip in so many chip and dip combos. No MSG pa. Remember, beauty is only skin, dip.
Thanks, Yaji.
Yaji Dip Snacks. Kakaiba-iba.
Anak, gusto ko lumaki kang hindi sakitin.
Pagmamahal at alaga mo, damang-daman niya sa iyong haplos at Johnson's Baby Oil.
Flex. Amazing Sister Moves. Only with Sistagen Kid, packed with 23 Resistencia builders. For outstanding health and more fun. Sister Power Shot.
Use Bygone Mosquito Killer, now with the fastest knockdown formula. Sprayed day and night to stop mosquitoes that may carry dengue. For powerful protection against dengue, trust Bygone Mosquito Killer. The power is yours.
Shop at the 3-day sale of SM Mega Mall, SM City Bacoor, Marilao, and SM City Baguio on October 19, 20, and 21. Up to 50% off and great selections mall-wide. And get a chance to win Next-Base portable DVD players with 7-inch color monitor.
Visibly reduce hair fall in just 1 week with Sunsilk's Hair Fall Solution Shampoo and Conditioner Twin Sachet. It nourishes and strengthens hair. New Sunsilk's Hair Fall Solution Twin Sachet.